Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel, Development Tech. If you guys are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the topic. Today's topic is add event listener function method. Okay, before going to this one, we have small concept of what is an event. Okay, what is an event means event is an action from a keyboard or a mouse. Okay, event is an action from a keyboard or a mouse. Okay, these things will perform under when the action is performed is at the runtime. At the runtime, these actions will perform. And here is one other concept called event handling. Okay, event handling. This event handling is a concept of attaching the event with a function. Means while adding the add event is a function, we need to add a event means these are the events click event or double click event or mouse over event mouse out event any of the event. Okay, and even the respective function. Okay, and whenever the user performs an action automatically the element writes the event. Okay, then we will call the function. Okay, suppose the syntax will be now how we can add the event at the runtime is using the add event listener function. The syntax is the add event listener. Okay. Now, event name. What is the event name? Is suppose I need to give the click. Okay, this is the event name. Then respective function. You need to give the function. Suppose you can give the function name here. Okay, function name here. This is the syntax for add event listener. Okay. Now, for the first time, for the first, we can click. Now we can discuss about the click, double click, mouse over, mouse out, focus, blur. And we have some other events also. We will discuss that in the second next class. Okay. Now go to this one. Yeah, the event listener. Okay. Now the ID is equal to dev1. Okay. Next script. See here we need to write the code. Now the first one is click one. Okay, click event. The click event executes when the user click on that particular element. Okay, when we click on this particular element, then only it will trigger means it will execute. Okay, suppose I am taking the reference from this dev tag. Okay, now the requirement is whenever I hit this one means whenever I click this one. Okay, whenever I click this one it should change to hit me to click me. Okay, that is the requirement. Now document dot element by id. Whatever the concept we learned in previous classes, those will be taking. Okay. Now, what is the ID is dev1. Okay. These things we discuss. These things we discussed in the previous one. Okay. Dot add event listener. What is the event now? Click event. Okay. In the function, I can give as fun one. Okay. Now here we need to write the function. Function fun. Okay. Now document dot get element by id. I'm taking the reference of the dev. What is that one? Dev one dot. I need to change this text. I need to change this text. What we need to use? What we need to use in the HTML. HTML is equal to click me. Okay. And we execute this one. See with mouseover. See when I click here, see it is coming to click me. Okay. See again you can check it is coming to click me. Okay. And here one question. See this is a block level element or inline element. It is a block level element. That is why see inspect when I hover in this the one see it is taking parent list. Okay, that is why this element when now we click here also it is changing to click me means entire element wherever we hit here this element occurs up to here, right? That is why when we click here also it will change. Okay, now next one is double click. Double click also the same as the click event copy. Double click event executes when the user double clicks on the element. Okay, double dbl. Okay, now what is going on here means see when we click for twice means double click, then only it will change to hit me to click me. Okay, now the next one is mouse over. Okay, next one is mouse over. Here the mouse over event executes when the user moves the mouse pointer from outside to inside of the element. Okay, now so mouse over. See mouse over and mouse out. I will discuss both in one go. Okay, mouse out. What is the mouse out means? The mouse out event is used to execute the user moves the mouse pointer from inside to outside. Means if we this is the suppose this is the element. If the cursor is here, if it comes out of this element means here the element is there, right? Become like this means out of this element. Then this event execute. Okay. See, this is the mouse over. Okay, this is the mouse over. Now, same, I'm using mouse out. Mouse out, I'm taking function to day one only. And I need to back to it. See, you are getting it. See, it is different. And cursor is in element. When cursor comes outside the element, hit me. When I'm clicking cursor, when I'm Hovering the cursor means inside the element, then the function 1 will execute. Okay, when the cursor comes out of the element, means if this is the element coming out of the element, then function 2 will execute. Okay, you are getting it. Now the next one is focus and blur. Okay, the focus event executes when the cursor enters into the element. Okay, same. And the blur event executes when the cursor comes out of the element. Okay, this all same like as over these things. Okay, can we discuss this one now? For clear understanding, I am writing some other code here. Suppose uh, email. Okay, email input type is equal to, suppose I am writing text here. Okay, ID is equal to email. Okay, ID is equal to email. Next, I am writing span ID is equal to span1 or span to anything you write. And I am applying some style here. Style is equal to color gray display none. Initially, this should be display none and use Gmail only. Okay. Now, see, 1 second. See, now this is the script tag. Okay. Inside the script tag, see, my requirement is I need to take this ID document dot get element by ID of dot add event listener of focus comma 1 1. Okay, function fun1 of document dot get element by ID of span1 dot, sorry, span1 dot style dot, inside the style we can take display is equal to inline. Inline in the sense it will comes in the same line. Okay, now it is fine. Can we check this one? See, when I'm clicking on this one, see, it is coming here. Use Gmail only. Okay, when I'm clicking on this means it is focus. It is focusing. Okay, when I'm clicking outside this element, it is not going. Okay, it is not going. Okay, in this manner, we need to add some other things here. Here document dot is fine. We need to change this one, blur, and this one need to change function 2 and function 2 and here span 1 and style should be none. Okay, now check this one. When we hit this one means focusing. So when we focus on this particular text box, it is giving use Gmail only. Okay, use Gmail only. Suppose when I'm clicking outside this element, see, it is becoming null. Display becoming null. When I'm focusing, see here, inline, display inline. Suppose if we click inline block, okay, when I click this one, see, we are getting here. Means inline block means it will come in the next one. Use email only. When I'm clicking outside this element, particular element, then what's the code now? Blur. For style is equal to null. For the span one, what is the span one? This is the span one. Use Gmail only. Should be display null. This is about the focus and blur. Okay. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss about remaining things. What is the things with mouse, mouse, move. Okay. Mouse move, key up, key press, change, cut, copy, paste, and context menu. Okay. These things we will discuss in the next class. Okay. That's all from my end, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.